Hello everyone, this is Sudha Madhavi. I am studying 10th grade at Phoenix Global School. Recently, I had a wonderful opportunity to join in the Phoenix Capability Building trip to Hyderabad. And this trip was a unique learning experience and I am excited to share my testimony with you all. Our first stop was the Salazar Museum. This museum is the oldest one and it is known for its impressive collection of arts and historical things, historical artifacts. And the I saw many things in the museum like old clothes, paintings, ancient tools, etc., which are made up of unique and pure metals. And by preserving the historical things, made us to realize the meaning of quality at once upon a time. And one of the most fascinating thing I saw is a musical clock called Rebecca. And for, uh, for visiting the Salazar Museum, I have got more knowledge on historical things and about the ancestors and their living and the richness of their culture. And next we visited the Secretariat of Telangana, and I was impressed by its infrastructure and security measures of Secretariat. And I felt proud and inspired by visiting the Secretariat and by imagining myself as a future contributor of my country. And we also, on the second day, we visited the Rajiv Gandhi International Airport. I was thrilled to see the high level of security and I was surprised about the cleaning possibilities, careness and management of the airport. And I was thrilled to see high level of security provided by our Indian Army and how smoothly everything functioned. Then we also explored about the Indian Institute of Millets Research (IIMR), where we can learn about the importance of millets. The millets in the past were considered as a poor man's diet, and now we are considering the millets are a rich man's diet, which are about both sustainable and healthy. And I was realized that it is very important to include the millets in our daily meals. And by visiting this, I learned to adopt a healthier lifestyle. And one of the favorite part of this trip was visiting the Golconda Fort. It is a masterpiece of architecture and which was built by Kakatiya rulers. And I was surprised by the clapping technology of the Golconda Fort. And our last and final stop is the NIMSME, the National Institute of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises. I would thankful to the efforts of Suryakumari ma'am of our executive head teacher of Phoenix Global School, who ensured that possibilities of this visit. And in NIMSME, we learned many sessions, and in those sessions they have taught about the valuable lessons of self-confidence, leadership skills and risk-taking and calculated risks. So I felt to dream big and one day will become an entrepreneur. Next, we also visited the financial district, and in that we have seen tall and modern buildings, and I was realized that how much development our country is undergoing. And this visit is not only visiting the places, but it was tells about the learning, growing and dreaming. I would thankful to Phoenix Global School for giving us such a wonderful opportunity and a meaningful experience for us. And the Phoenix Global School vision is shaped by Dina sir and Dina sir of Phoenix ideology and schools. His vision, he believes in transforming lives through the education, and he envisioned that the Phoenix capability building trip was an essential part of Phoenix ideology. And I am proud to be an Phoenician, and the Phoenix vision is to develop every rural child with essential global skills and nurturing as I can mindset and advocating truth. So I am very thankful, my heartfelt thankful to Dina sir for his vision and Suryakumari ma'am for making this trip possible and ensuring our safety. So thank you for giving me this wonderful opportunity. Thank you one and all.